Let us invoke for the divine blessing for healing Mother Earth. You are supposed to fold your hands over your head in Namaskar position. Extend your arms fully overhead, keeping your palms pressing firmly together. Now let us say inside your mind, to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to all the spiritual teachers, to all spiritual elders, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, healing ministers, spiritual helpers, we humbly invoke you for your divine blessings, divine light, divine love, divine guidance, divine healing energy. We humbly invoke you for inner healing, physical healing, emotional healing. We humbly invoke you for prosperity and abundance. In full faith, so be it. Hold these hands over your head, touch the crown chakra, touching the top of your head. Touch these folded hands on the top of your crown. Now, touch these hands to Ajna chakra, third eye chakra. Now, touch these folded hands to your heart chakra. Feel the vibration in your heart chakra. With your left hand, gently tap center of your chest 3 times. This is your heart chakra. With your right hand, gently tap on your top of your head. This is your crown chakra. Touch your tongue to roof of your mouth. Now gently raise both the hands facing forward in blessing positions. Imagine the beautiful earth of size of little ball in front of you. Be aware of your heart. Be aware of beautiful pink light coming out of your heart chakra, projecting from both of your hands to the entire earth. Imagine a beautiful pink colored light projecting from both of your hands to the entire earth. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace, love, and power. Wherever there is hatred in the world, let me sow seeds of love and compassion. Feel the beautiful pink light pouring onto the earth from your hands and heart chakra, blessing your family, loved ones, the people you want to heal. The loving energy spread through your city, entire state, entire country. Let the beautiful pink light also spread to entire earth, blessing every person, every being with peace and divine love, bliss. Visualize people going through difficult times now. Flood them with beautiful pink light and imagine their situation improving, and may they be blessed with better life. So be it. Wherever there is a darkness, let me pour light. Wherever there are conflicts, let me sow seeds of compassion, acceptance, and forgiveness. Wherever there is sadness, disappointment, let me pour energy of tremendous amount of joy. Visualize every person on the earth smiling with great joy. So be it. Be aware of your heart, continuously blessing the earth with tremendous amount of loving energy, with every person, every being blessed with peace, with love, with forgiveness, with hope and faith, with love and joy, with compassion. So be it. Be aware of your heart. Inhale. Be aware of your crown. Exhale. Be aware of the loving energy in your heart. Again, inhale. Lift it up to the ground and exhale. Be aware of the heart. Inhale. Raise it up to the crown and exhale. Your crown is now glowing with beautiful golden colored light. Be aware of your crown. The liquid golden light is now pouring down through your hands to the entire earth. From the heart of all loving, all compassionate gods, may every person, every being on the earth be blessed with loving kindness, with great joy and happiness, with understanding, harmony, and divine peace and bliss. Feel the golden light pouring down to entire body, especially to your hands, flooding entire earth, flooding with love, light, and joy. Now be aware of your heart and crown together. Both of them are glowing with beautiful golden light. Let the golden light from heart and the crown pour down through your hands to entire earth, from the center of the heart of God to my soul, to my crown, to my heart, and through hands, let every person and every being on earth be blessed with loving kindness, with sweetness, with tenderness, with inner healing, with inner peace, with goodwill and willingness to do good. So be it. Let every person and every being on earth, without exception, be divinely blessed unconditionally. So be it. Let all your friends, loved ones, every person and every being on the earth be blessed. So be it. Continue feeling the divine light, divine love pour down through your hands, through your arms, to the entire earth. So be it. Gently lower your hands on your lap, palms up. Be gently aware of your crown and imagine a beautiful golden colored light or a golden flame, a lotus sitting on your crown chakra. Be aware of that golden light. Simultaneously, be aware of the love within your heart. Send streams of loving energy from your heart up to the crown and into the flame. The flame is getting brighter and brighter, bigger and bigger. Loving energy is flowing continuously from the heart to the crown and into the flame. Be aware of golden flame. Be still, be aware. Let go. Allow yourself to swim in infinite ocean of golden light, in an ocean of divine peace, divine love, divine bliss. Just let go. Gently, slowly come back to your body. Move your fingers, move your toes. Gently come back to your body now. Raise your hands in blessing positions again, like you did before. We will now use excess of energy to heal our relationships, to bless our work, to bless our city, our state, and our country, and also bless our Mother Earth. Imagine your loved ones in front of you. Bless them with the good health, happiness, prosperity, and spirituality. Shower all of them with golden colored light. Let the golden light spread to the people at work, whole city, whole country, and the entire earth. Release excess of energy your body has absorbed by blessing your family, friends, loved ones, your work, your city, and the entire earth. Now gently be aware of your feet, of your palms, base of your spine. Gently radiate golden light down through your feet into the Mother Earth. Let the beloved earth be blessed with divine light, divine love, divine power. Let beloved earth be rejuvenated, revitalized. So be it. Let us give thanks to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to all spiritual teachers, to all spiritual elders, Holy Master, healing angels, healing ministers, saints, archangels, holy angels, spiritual helpers. Thank you for your divine blessings. In full faith, so be it.